Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy process on how to download Binance application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. In order to download Binance app on your iPhone, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you are, go tap open your app store. Go to the search box at the very top and tap it on. Type in Binance and search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result. Give it a tap to know more about the app. If you tap on the download button right beneath the application or right next to it, you should be able to begin your downloading process for Binance app on your iPhone. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that is the largest in the world in terms of daily cryptocurrency trading volume. Once the application gets downloaded and is ready for use, you should see an open button popping up. Tap it on to launch the app open, and there you have successfully downloaded Binance application for your iPhone. Go ahead and select your location and get started with Binance. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.